I want to make sure I'm recording here. Okay, I'm recording on Easy Video Recorder, my screen recorder. I just uploaded one. It didn't have any of this, but anyway, we're in Power Director, and here's the video that I just edited. Let's go into New Project. We're just going to go over this how to edit videos on Android. So we're going to go into Edit Project. I'm not going to go into, okay, here we go. Here we got my video clips. In here we have the transitions, these little squares here. And that's where I added the transitions. Down here is where I added the music. Let me go into this and I'll show you what I did. Now up here you can see my timeline on the edited video. Okay, so I added I added two videos. I added this from Power Director and that from Movies, and there you go. And then when I go into music, what I do is you hit that little music thing there. Then you hit download. Okay, all these here are YouTube approved downloads from my. I go into YouTube audio, so that way I don't get any copyright strikes or that sort of thing. And then I used Eyes of Glory, that song, on that clip. Then down here on the bottom right, you got the save, and then you go in here and you go into produce, and that's what you do. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this file, and you're going to see two videos. You're going to see the one without me talking, without the easy screen recorder. Got a lot of problems because I'm getting a lot of hacks and stuff into my Wi-Fi, and it's making my life miserable. So okay, so now I want to make sure that we're still recording. Okay, now there we are. We're going to